Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time was stopping by, you're welcome. Thank you for stopping by. My name is Mary Dika and today's video is about this pretty orange eye makeup tutorial. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching, and please don't forget to show me love by clicking the subscribe button. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you so much. I'm using this Oriflame Pure Skin Mattifying Face Lotion to prime my face. I'm using this Oriflame The One Everlasting Foundation in the shade Caramel for my face. I'm using this Elegant Pro Conceal Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to highlight my face. I'm using this Pomade Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade Clay 2 to set my highlights. I'm using this Ben9 Banana Powder to bake. Using this Pomade Cosmetics Luminous Powder Foundation in the shade 85 to contour. I'm using this Natasha Brow Pomade in the shade Dark Brown for my brows. I'm using this Nuban Beauty Obsession Eyeshadow Palette. I'm using this shade Echo for my lid, my eyes. Using this black gel eyeliner from Mary Kay Cosmetics to line my eyes. I'm using this black kajal from Zaron Cosmetics to line my waterline. I'm using this mascara from Zekel Cosmetics for my eyes. I'm using the same eyeshadow I used for my lid for my lower lash line. I'm using this Zekel Cosmetics Sparkling Honey Dust Highlighter to highlight my face. I'm using this blush palette from Tara Makeup and I'm using this shade right here. I'm using this MAC Cosmetics Fix Plus spray to set my makeup. I'm using this lip gloss from Mary Kay Cosmetics called Rock and Red for my lips.